Today, as the UN and AI finally intersect, we have the opportunity and the responsibility to choose as one united global community to govern this technology rather than let it govern us. Today, as the UN and AI finally intersect, we have the opportunity and the responsibility to choose as one united global community to govern this technology rather than let it govern us. So let us reaffirm that AI will be created and deployed through the lens of humanity and dignity, safety and security, human rights and fundamental freedoms. Let us commit to closing the digital gap within and between nations and using this technology to advance shared priorities around sustainable development. And let us answer the call to leverage AI for the good of all people in the only way we can. As President Biden was quoted as saying, this is a big bleeping deal. Today, all 193 members of the United Nations General Assembly have spoken in one voice and together chosen to govern artificial intelligence rather than let it govern us. The groundbreaking resolution adopted today cements global consensus for safe, secure, trustworthy AI systems that both advance sustainable development and respect fundamental freedoms. All of this work culminated in what we just saw today, a first of its kind resolution adopted not only by majority, but by consensus. Because ultimately the risk and benefits of AI have the potential to impact all of us. And so approaching it requires all of us. The resolution we just adopted reflected our shared responsibility and collective fate. It leaves no one behind. It lays the groundwork for AI systems that leave no one behind either.